Hello everyone. For today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought I'd share with you a effect that has kind of a spooky and bizarre kind of feel to it. And since Halloween's close enough, I thought it'd be neat to show you today. So you have a regular deck of cards. Just go ahead and have a spectator come up and just give the deck a cut, okay? And for this trick, I'm gonna need a hand, okay? Now, we'll mark where the spectator cut the cards here, and I'll have the spectator go ahead and take a piece of paper and a marker, and I want them to write down what card they cut to, okay? So they look at their card, they go ahead and remember it, and then write it down on the piece of paper. And we'll just hold it right here for safekeeping, okay? So the spectator writes their card down. They fold it on the paper. They don't show you. Fold it up. And now I'll take this piece of paper, and here's where we summons the spirits of the bizarre. Burn the piece of paper with the card on it. And if I take some of these ashes, whoa, from the ashtray, we can get a spooky effect here. And it looks like the spirits may be telling us that their card was the 10 of diamonds. Was that your card? And that's ashes on the arm. Whew. Spirits got it right. Now, before I tell you how to do this, really easy effect, and it's neat for Halloween, just go ahead and please like and subscribe if you haven't already to this video. Really appreciate it. It helps the channel out. Now, it's a really neat effect, and you're just forcing a card. So I use the cut force, which is just having the card that you want to force just on top, have the spectator cut the cards, and then you use a little misdirection. In this case, I use this hand, and I'll show you something else with this hand too in a little bit. And then once you come back to the deck, you just say, we'll mark where you cut, and the top card's right here. And so then we'll just say, go ahead and look at that card, okay? So that's just the cut force that we use for this trick. But you can use any force you want. It doesn't matter. And I have a whole playlist on forces, and I'll put a link to that playlist in the description. Now, you have to prep your arm, or you can even prep a fake hand just like this. I prepped this one earlier. You can prep this a couple days in advance. This is a plastic hand. I got it from a 99-cent store, and I think it was $1.49. So figure that one out. But you can prep this instead of using your arm, even though my arm's kind of hairy too, because you're going to use rubber cement to give you this effect of when you put the ashes on your arm. So if your arm's kind of hairy like mine, the rubber cement doesn't feel good when you want to get it off, and when you put it on and it doesn't write well. So keep that in mind as why you might want to use one of these. So what you do is you just get the rubber cement, and I use a Q-tip, and then just get some of the rubber cement on the Q-tip, and then just write whatever card. It doesn't have to be the 10 of diamonds. It can be any card you want. If you want to do like an 8, and then put an S for spades, okay? So you just write that on your arm with the rubber cement, and I use a Q-tip. It's better than the brush that they give you, okay? And then let that dry. It'll take a little while to dry, but once it's dry, then you can put, a sleeve on or whatever, but it dries pretty much clear on your skin, so it's really neat to use for this effect. Or you can put the rubber cement on a hand like this, and it's the same thing, just whatever card you want to use, let's say you do, 10, and then you can put D for diamonds. You don't even have to draw the diamond if you don't want to. And then, let this dry, and then you can do this a couple days in advance, or at someone else's house, etc. You know, if you're at a party. It doesn't take that long to dry, but it does take, you know, more than just a couple minutes. And so I already prepped this one. And then just get any ashes. You can, that's why you have them right down on a piece of paper and then burn it. You can use for ashes, but you can also use flash paper for this effect. If you already have ashes in like an ashtray, if there's like a cigarette ashtray or whatever around, then you can use flash paper and it gives it a better effect. That was the rubber cement that caught on fire. It gives it a, you know, kind of a more spooky, magical effect too. But once you have the ashes from the ashtray, then just get them on your finger, and when you rub it along the rubber cement, then it'll reveal their card. And that's it. And it's just kind of a neat, kind of spirit, spooky, bizarre effect, and it's perfect for Halloween. And it, you know, you can get it on your arm. And if you do on your arm, you know, get some hand sanitizer, and that'll make it a lot easier to remove the rubber cement from your arm too, okay? And so that's it. It's just forcing a card, rubber cement on the arm, let it dry, and then get some ashes and rub it on it. And that's ashes on the arm, and it's a simple effect to do, and it's really great for Halloween time, okay? Let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, share. As always, I appreciate it. Happy Halloween. Until next time.